So here we are, section 3.5, opening your business bank account. Prior to this, you should have already registered your business with the state. You then go and get your EIN number from the IRS. And now you're ready to open your business bank account. This might seem like a small administrative task, but in reality, it's a critical milestone. It officially separates you from your business in the eyes of the law, banks, and the IRS. One of the most common mistakes new business owners make is running everything through their personal account. And a year will go by and everything is just all mixed together. It seems harmless at first, but this is a nightmare at tax time, and it's a nightmare to separate the personal from the business. So start it off correctly. A dedicated business bank account gives you clean records, protects your liability status, particularly if you are a corporation. You're not piercing that corporate veil, and builds your credibility with vendors, clients, and future lenders. So what do you need to bring with you when opening a business account? First, you're going to have your EIN number. So bring that paper that you received from the IRS. This acts like your business's social security number. Second, you will need your articles of organization if you are an LLC, or articles of incorporation if you're a corporation. These documents prove that your business is registered and in good standing with the state. Third, a business license or other proof of registration, depending on your city or county requirements. Now, every bank is a little different, so it's a good idea to call ahead or check the bank's website for their exact list of details needed to open a business account. If your business has multiple owners, you may also need an operating agreement or meeting minutes showing who has authority to open the account. And if there are multiple members involved, they each will have to go to the bank and sign the account papers. So here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Don't mix business and personal funds. I've been doing bookkeeping and accounting for almost 20 years, and this is where every business owner has gone awry. They are commingling their business funds with the business. And it's not just the bank account. Credit cards, home mortgage, everything is all mixed together. You want to keep it as clean and separated as possible. This is not just a bookkeeping issue. This is what we call piercing the corporate veil when you're a corporation. And it puts your personal assets at risk if there's ever a future legal dispute. Don't use your personal accounts for business deposits or payments. Even if you're the only one working in the business, keep things separate. This protects your financial clarity and makes it easier to track expenses. So that means if you're just working by yourself, don't stick that money you received from the client into your personal account. You deposit it into the business account, and you have a paper trail, and then you show a paper trail moving that money from the business account to your personal account, or if you're doing it via a salary. Have a legitimate process. Don't skip this step just because you're small or new. Even sole proprietors and freelancers benefit from a business bank account. It shows you're taking your business seriously, and others will take you more seriously too. And here's a pro tip. You can often open a business checking account online. Just make sure it's with a bank that supports small business growth. Things like merchant services, business credit, or payment platforms. All of these may come in handy later on.